Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Is your girl Pamela, and if you are seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, God bless you guys. I appreciate it a lot. So in today's video, we'll be doing how to prep the skin for makeup. This is a beginner-friendly video. I hope you find it very helpful. You will definitely find it very helpful. So subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. So without wasting much of our time, let's just dive straight into the video. So guys, the first thing to note here is skin prep is the basis of your makeup. For your makeup, you want a clean and smooth canvas. So guys, I'll be going in with my simple facial cleansing water and wipes to cleanse the impurities from the surface of the skin. Guys, you can use any any facial cleansing water. It mustn't be simple, anyone you can lay your hands on. Yeah, but clean thoroughly, cleanse the skin, and after that make sure it dries off before you move in with another product. Now my skin is dried. I'll be moving in with my Bicham Ageless Hydrating Spray to bring back hydration to the face. You can use toner for this, and after that allow it to dry before you move in with another product. So guys, now my skin is dry. If you want to know when it's dried, you touch your face, it will be sticky. So guys, I'll be moving in with my hydrating serum. I'm using Dr. Rasha Vitamin C Hydrating Serum on my skin. The essence is to hydrate and brighten the skin. So this is me putting some drops on my face. After that, I'll go in with my flat brush to blend it into the skin. Guys, with skincare, you want to make sure you allow every product sink into the skin before moving in with another product, and make sure it dries off. So this is me applying it, and after that I'll allow it to dry before I move in with my moisturizer. Okay, so don't be in a hurry. Make sure you apply very well. Don't be in a hurry. Maybe you have another client you want to work on and you can't wait. Just apply very well. Now guys, my skin is dried. Moving on to the next product, I'm using my moisturizer. This is a Cetaphil moisturizer, guys. This is what I'm using. You can buy any moisturizer you can afford. So the essence of this is to help hydrate dry skin. It also helps your makeup blend and prevent it from looking cakey. So for moisturizer, guys, use what will be enough for the face. Don't overdo it. So when you apply too much moisturizer on the face, you see the makeup lifting. Don't let the face be dripping with moisturizer. Blend very well, and after that you can use your hand to massage the product into the skin. Okay, when you must have are done with brushes, this is me massaging it. Massage into the skin properly so that the product stays into the face very well. At every interval, guys, dry the products. So very important, at every interval, dry your skin. So guys, after this I'll be moving in with my Vaseline lip balm for moisturizing my lips. This is necessary, guys, because sometimes if you don't moisturize the lip, you find it very dry. So when it gets to lining of the lips, you find it very difficult to line. Okay, so next I'll be going in with my primer. So for your primer, this is used to create a smooth base for your makeup and prepare it for your foundation application, because this is where your makeup will stay on also, and it prevents it from clogging your pores. So apply very well, and don't apply whether hydrating primer or mattifying primer. Don't apply primers under the eyes. Okay, don't apply primers under the eyes. So for mattifying primer, guys, you apply it on your T-zones. The essence of it is to control oil. All right, yeah. So guys, now I'll be moving in with my mattifying primer. So the essence of this mattifying primer is to control oil on your T-zone areas. Okay, the first one I used was a hydrating primer. So this is me using my blending brush to apply the primer
my mattifying primer on the T-zone areas. So guys, note that primers don't go under the eyes, whether hydrating or mattifying, and take your time to blend the primer and make sure it's not gathered somewhere. After using the brush, you can equally use your hand to blend everything into the skin. So this is me applying it and taking my time to applying it on the areas that I produce oil. So after that, you are done with your skin prep. You can go in with your foundation application, guys. I hope you find it very helpful, that you have known and you've learned how to prep your skin for makeup before starting your makeup.
So guys, we've come to the very end of this video. I hope you find this video very helpful. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below. Yes, so I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. I love you guys.